My name is Jo O'Sullivan and I'm here to talk to you about the 4 types of dispute resolution processes. A kitchen table agreement is where a couple literally sit around a table and go through what they think would be a good settlement, a financial settlement, or more often than not, how they're going to care for the children. I think it's quite a difficult thing for people to do because in a sense the devil's in the detail, and I think sometimes people can agree on the big picture but find it difficult to sort out the little stuff, and sometimes that's where a lot of the emotion is. Nevertheless, if they've done it that way, they both need legal advice, and sometimes they need to draw those documents up into legally binding documents, sometimes not. For example, if they're focusing on how they're going to care for the children, they might think about looking at a parenting plan and using a parenting plan to guide their thinking, because it's easy to forget things. And I think people who can do it themselves are perhaps people who've really accepted the relationship is over. I think sometimes it's harder for somebody who's not really, it's almost always the way that most people break up at different stages. So someone's decided to end the relationship before the other one's entirely ready, and that can cause problems. I think people who can do it are emotionally quite advanced. I'm not. I don't think I could do it. I think I would need the help of somebody to guide me through it. Apart from anything, it's quite important in those early days to try and get it right.